You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this character from Villains. If you want to learn more character names that are confusing indeed, stay tuned. It's simply pronounced as, yes, you've guessed it, Thragg. Yes, TH sound with your tongue between your teeth, an R, an A, and a G. Thragg, not Thragg, just simply how to pronounce Thragg. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.